in now in the Dano's Derby Kitchen by Dawn G, Wave 3 news anchor and the host of Wave Country with Dawn G.
Yep.
Okay, Dawn, Kentucky Jon, tell her, how excited are you for her to try this chicken?
I'm very excited.
Kentucky Jon is just excited. Right?
I got that Kentucky spirit in me.
Yes, you do.
It's flowing strong.
Yes, you have that unbridled spirit.
He does. I love the energy. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and preface this with saying I think you're going to love this chicken.
So, am I dipping it in
It's up to you. Now, tell her about the sauce, John.
I heard you tell John that it was spicy.
Yeah, this is
hot. But I have this at home. I don't think it's too spicy. It's spicy, but it's not too
Exactly.
spicy.
Thank you for saying that, because a lot of people get scared of the Dano's spicy and the Chipotle because they don't want the burning sensation, having to grab for the milk. You actually taste the food. The spicy's on the back end.
No burn.
No burn at all, especially
Just
when
some yum.
Yum, get you some. Yes, she knows what's good.
I had to set him up for that.
I love it. I love it. Yeah, this has got the original Dano's on it. Just olive oil and Dano's, y'all. You can do this at home.
This is the one that I have.
And then the hot Chipotle and the Kroger Ranch here. Stirred it up, and it's a great on salads.
I'm going to be honest with you. I hate ranch. I like that.
See, y'all, it makes ranch even better.
Sorry for anybody that loves ranch. Yay, ranch. But it's,
Yay, ranch.
Yeah, but it's not for me. But I like that.
But if you go into our QR code in the back here, it gives all the recipes that we have. And there's actually
so if I'm learning how to do this, Ryan Hoke has been showing me. If I put my phone up there, it's going to give me recipes?
It's lovely. It goes right to our recipes where you can look up an amazing vinaigrette. We got a vinaigrette made of Dano's.
I was just wondering if I was the only one that heard that.
Kentucky Jon saying the word lovely is just something I did not expect. Thank you, Kentucky Jon. I appreciate that. Okay, once again, Dano's seasoning.
My word for it.
Lovely. Yum, get you some. Okay, get you some at 2 o'clock because it's going to be a great show. What's on tap today, Dawn G?
We're going to meet the family. You know we've got a lot of new folks.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so family member David Ochoa, and I'm pretty sure I said that right because we all had an entire 30-minute conversation about his name when he was first hired. But he's new. He wants to say hello. I want to be able to make sure that you can reach out to him. Don't even get me started on this next topic. Distracted Driving Awareness Month with AAA. We got to do better. Sometimes I see people and wonder, how are they driving? What are they doing? And I'm not even going to get started with what I've been through over the last month. Look what the fire did. Burnbury Theater Company, they were coming in today. They're not going to be able to make it, but I want to make sure everybody knows about this. It's a local production, so I'll tell you about it. Sickle Cell Association of Kentucky, they were recently just given a huge honor and included in Frankfurt, and we want to talk about the hard work they do because I think so many people don't know. And then we have the Finish Line Gala. There's a lot going on. We are going to talk to Grammy-nominated artist Jeffrey Osborne and Regina Troop, who are coming to town for the Finish Line Gala. It's always a good time. I'm excited about all this stuff. Man. Don't you love him? I saw him 800 years ago in Shawnee Park. And he was the best. Just walking around Shawnee Park,
what a voice.
Saying hello.
Yeah, beautiful voice. He performed a lot of the Disney theme songs. I mean, he's got that really great voice. Okay, before we let you go, if you would, Kentucky.
It's lovely.
Yeah, it's lovely, Kentucky Jon. but again, Dan, okay, what's your favorite of the 3 spices?
I'm going to go with the Chipotle right now.
That's me.
I mean,
that's where I am.
Oh, it's where it's at. I mean, I didn't know I liked Chipotle until I tried the Dano's. Now I'm a fan of the Chipotle.
Yeah, but the other 2 seasonings are...
We've got the spicy and the original.
There you go.
There we go.
They're all great in their own ways.
Once again, we'll spend more time in the Dano's Derby Kitchen tomorrow. In the meantime, have a good one, stay dry, and be kind.